How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, we're going to go over our K-Force Micro 14 versus our K-Force Micro 21. So for example here, I brought our K-Force Micro 14 in TIR, and with our K-Force Micro 14, you'll see an optional cigarette plug. So with our cigarette lighter plug, you'll see that you have your on-off switch to activate your unit, and then you'll see your flash pattern changer here. So you can cycle through your different flash patterns, you can find a pattern you'd like, and then this unit has memory recall, so you can shut your unit off and back on, and it'll remember the last pattern it was on. And this is perfect if you need a mini light bar with a cigarette lighter plug control with simple on-off and flash pattern functionality. So that covers our K-Force Micro 14, so let's go ahead and move over to our K-Force Micro 21. Now with our K-Force Micro 21, you'll also use a cigarette lighter plug for power, so I'll go ahead and plug in my cigarette lighter port. And then here I'm using our optional grand control. Now with your grand control, you'll see that you have your power button, which will activate your unit. And then you have your pattern changer here, so you can cycle through your different flash patterns. You can find a pattern you'd like. And then this unit has memory recall, so you can shut your unit off and back on, and it will remember the last pattern it was on. And then you also have a couple additive features here as well. So here you'll see a TD button, and if you hit that button, you'll see your alley lights will go steady burn. And we do offer an upgrade here for clear alley lights, so when you activate that button, your alley lights will go steady burn clear, and then when you deactivate that button, those modules will go back to the warning color ordered of your light bar. And then finally, you have your aux button here where you can hook up to 10 amps of external lighting. So for example, I hooked up 2 of our Z12 linear surface mounts in red blue. So you'll see when I hit that button, those lights will activate, and you can run those independently of your light bar as well. Or if you'd like to, you can run your mini light bar without your external lights. So you have all of those options off of your grand control. So to recap, we had our K-Force Micro 14 TIR in amber and our K-Force Micro 21 linear in red blue. But we offer both of these units in TIR or linear in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in solid, half-half, and alternating color setups. And we can even customize these light bars if you need a custom color setup. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.